What's up, my royal flush? It is I, the Queen of Hearts, and I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about an indie brand called DRENCH Cosmetics. Oh yeah, you guys, if you guys want to see me try out some of their products and also see how they work on me, then keep on watching. But before we get into this video, y'all already know to hit that subscribe button, enjoy the royal flush, and be a part of my royal family, and also hit that bell notification button right next to that to be notified for my future uploads. And at any point in this video, if you guys are enjoying yourself and you guys are enjoying me, then hit that thumbs up, okay, because it really helps a lot. And with that being said, you guys, let's just get into this video.
Baby, you better use it. Use your imagination.
Okay, guys, before we get into the products, I'm actually going to give you guys a little insight of DRENCH Cosmetics. And I reached out to them, asked them for their story and who created them and different stuff like that. So I'm going to read you exactly word to word what they said to me. They said, DRENCH Cosmetics, made for the creatively creative. Something for anyone and everyone. The goal of DRENCH Cosmetics is to bring great products and representation to those who are unrepresented in the beauty community. And the person who created it, his name is Brown Boy Beauty. I follow him on Twitter. Y'all should definitely follow him as well. He pulls off some really good looks, and I never knew that he created, I never actually knew that he created DRENCH Cosmetics, which is something pretty cool. DRENCH Cosmetics, if y'all watching this, I would love a discount code, so y'all should definitely hook me up. I'm just playing. I'm just joking. But y'all, let's just get into the products. I just want to just do a little background of DRENCH Cosmetics. So the packaging that like the actual products came in were like this banana packaging here. Yeah, I'm gonna give my final thoughts about this at the end of this video. They also sent a little card. They also sent a little card right here which says tag us in your looks, hashtag DRENCH babes. I gotta talk about this too. So they have a lip gloss. I forgot what color. I think this was called their Meteorite lip gloss, which looks something like this. Which is like just a shimmery lip gloss. I'm not to put anything. I might actually try it on. I might try it on. So the highlighter looks something like, it looks something like this. And the highlighter, it's actually broken. It didn't come broken. That's all on me. I dropped it and it broke, so I tried to press it back as much as I could. Okay, the highlighter is called Cosmic Gold and the lip gloss is called Meteorite. So let's just give this a whirl. I already set my face, but I'm going to set the perimeters again just so the highlighter can have something to stick to. And I'm going to take my favorite Morphe R39 highlighter brush. It's a lot of kickback that comes off. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, you see how I just did that? Like, and then it just disappeared. So let's put it on this side. So the highlighter is really pretty. It's really pretty, and the lip gloss is really pretty. Now that I have like basically my whole face done, y'all, I'm going to get into the final thoughts. So let's focus on like the external stuff, and then we're actually going to get into the products and how I feel about them. So yeah, if you do go on DRENCH Cosmetics, first of all, they have a wonderful engagement. Like, you know, like they engage very well with their customers. If you do tweet them, they will tweet you back. So I feel like that's like a good thing. But DRENCH girl, but this, like, some bananas. If you do go on their website, like they're space themed. Like, you know, like they have a moon next to their packaging right here. They're space themed. So why did I get like banana packaging? I was expecting something like a galaxy one, if a galaxy or something like that, because they are space themed, or like a whole bunch of cute little moons. Like y'all can have that, like, you know, something cute like that. Because like, as far as me being a consumer, I see space themed, and this bananas aren't space themed. I'm so sorry. So the next thing is the card that it came with. Y'all, like, do y'all see that? Like, it is like Hawaii or some kind of island or something, which I don't get at all. Like, you're supposed to be space themed, and then I get this card. Yeah, the card is a no for me, Drench. These, no. Okay, no. I'm just get space packaging, space theme items to go with your aesthetic of your company. That's as far as I can see as a consumer. I think space themed when I look at your page, your Twitter, your website, something like that. You know, to the products. The first, like when I seen where is the lip gloss? Now the lip gloss isn't in cheap packaging. It doesn't feel like it's cheap at all. It's actually pretty good, and the lip gloss is really pretty, as you can see I have on my lips. But there's nothing really I can say about it, because I really love and enjoy lip gloss, and the lip gloss is really good, as I could just try it on now. And it's not so shimmery like I thought it would be. I would think it would be like super shimmery. It's not. It's actually really pretty. But let's move on to this highlighter, y'all. This is the highlighter. When I picked up the highlighter, I wasn't so astounded by it like I was. I don't even know if that's a word. Like I was looking at the picture online. It came protected, you know, it came pretty good. Like, you know, but as you can see, it keeps breaking. I literally dropped it on carpet. The highlighter is pretty fragile. And I literally have so many highlighters. I would show y'all, but it's too many to pick up. Yeah, and I dropped it on carpet and it broke. It was my fault. It came fine. It came fine. The mail, I guess they didn't throw that shit around like they usually do, because sometimes I do receive broken things. But it was good. But once I dropped it on my carpet, it broke. So it's pretty. So yeah. I mean, it's nothing really why do I have my scarf still on? So I was just trying to figure out why it broke. I don't even know. I'm guessing it was too soft. And all around, the brand is pretty good. I really like the brand in general. They're really nice. So yeah, you guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video about DRENCH Cosmetics, which is a indie brand. I don't know if I said that in this video or not, but they are an indie brand. Y'all, we gotta support these indie brands out here. Like, we gotta support them out here, okay? And with that being said, you guys, I will see you guys in my next video.